Welcome to today's tip. When you are generating G code from Mastercam for threading, there are key things you need to observe. Normally, threading in Mastercam has 4 categories. You can do what you call cane threading cycle. For the cane threading cycle, you're using G76. So it depends on which machine you're going to use, because some machines, maybe for example, the using control Siemens may not, like the current one, Siemens 828, Siemens 840, may not necessarily accept G76 for the threading cane cycle, unless you have done your setup so that you are able to use this code. So for cane cycle, in a generic G code, this is how it look like. I'm using Siemens 840D, so you need to understand how you generate G code. Also, when you go to second type of threading, you have what you call a longhand threading. Longhand threading is using what you call G00, and then this is just to tell the tool to move to a safe point, and then you start approaching the tool one by one, then use G32 for threading. That's now cutting to a depth of X, from a depth of 20 millimeter to a depth of X 19.477 using a pitch of 2.5. Then it goes to set -13. So once it goes that pass, it goes away, because this code is not cane cycle. Remember, this one, as I said, is a cane cycle, because the meaning of cane cycle is to simplify programming in ISO mode, such a way that it automatically calculates the depth and also the pitch, and then it does it repetitively. Like you see here, we have only two lines for the cane cycle using G76, 2 lines. But we go to the longhand method of threading in Mastercam, you're using G32. Once it goes to the Z-13, it goes away first of all to X23, and then it approaches again to, you see, it's now using, this code is not cane cycle. It is normal mode code of creating a G code, so that you can now do threading. You see how the program is. This one for threading is too long. It's too long. But when you go to the cane cycle, it's only 2 lines, and you are good to go. If you go to another type, we call it alternating threading cycle in Mastercam. Also, you can use, like, let me put this is for equals to 400, because I'm using advanced controller. M4 equals to 3. So also this one is also using G32. There's no much difference for alternating and for the longhand, but the code is too long. And then another one called boxed. The normal code we normally use, most of the machine like GSK controller, they use G82. They use G82 for this code of threading. You just put the minimum diameter, the starting point diameter, and then you go to the Z and then the pitch. From there, you now try to calculate the passes. So which means this 17.252 is the final depth of the threading, because I've put the allowance in threading. I will show you in the Mastercam how we do this one in Mastercam. So there are different ways of creating programs. So you need to understand, when you're creating a program for Siemens, which cycle are you going to use? Are you going to use the cane cycle? Like for this one, we will not do it, because I've done a simulation here. Let me show you the simulation. I've done a simulation. If I do a simulation here, because I have the code here, you see this is the code I'm using, G76, using ISO code. If I do a simulation, because I'm using a turn mini machine, it will always give me an error that this one is not workable. You see, when I'm cutting this one, you will see what will happen. You see what will happen with this. It will give me an error here that this one cannot work. You see, you will come to the threading as this grooving. I'm using what you call chip breaking. You see, now it's giving a syntax error because it cannot do the threading on G76. Then let me open another program here. I want to open another program for alternating. We want to see. Let's open this program for alternating. We'll do a simulation. We'll see where the error is. We need to accept the alternating method. I'll tell you the secret. The block invalid program name Mastercam this one channel. earlier on to save this program. Well, let me go and save this program from my Simco. This is Longhand. I want to save it, save as the same way it is. I can put .mpf, then I say save. I can also come to alternating file, save as. I put here .mpf, then I say save. I go to the last one, I save as, because I'm using Siemens, I add .mpf, then save. I want to go to my controller now. To my controller, I want to open. You see there are two of them, MPF, so I can open MPF. Sorry, I want to open the MPF. Let me start with Longhand, enter, then do a simulation where we want to see where the error is. If you are using Siemens control, the other controllers like hers can work well, but the current one, so Siemens, you need to know how to edit the G code for longhand method. We want to see, this is now longhand method, where we are using G32. You will see if it gives us an error or not. That's grooving. From grooving, it will go to do a chip breaking, finishing. You see now G32 is unknown. What you do, you can also go, let's open another program. I want to show you, but I will not show you a tip on how to do this, because this is my secret. Let me open the box one, enter, do a simulation. Want to see where the challenge will come, which one will I accept, and then how can we edit. So in case you need to know how to edit this ISO code to work in Siemens 840 for a timing machine like the one from DMG Mori, you can come to our center in Karen. We'll show you how to do this. For ISO code, like you're using Haas controller, GSK controller, Fanuc, this one will work well. You see also this one G82 cannot work. Yes, but how can we edit? I will show you. Now let's go to alternating again. Open. I want to show you where the threading is. Only where the threading is, the code where the threading is. The other one will do well. Now on the threading part, you will see. So which one will work well for this one? Let's see. If you are doing now this simulation, you will see this is now chip breaking. I've done the chip breaking. You see now G32 also cannot work. So what code can work for threading, and how can we edit this code? Let's here click here, search, write G32, then click OK. Continue searching. This is where the threading is. So threading is starting from here. So can I change to G33? Will it work? G33, for example. G33. Here also I can change it to G33. You don't just change the code. You need to understand it. You don't just the code. You need to understand the meaning of this code. G33. But for all other programs, it's okay. For both programs, all other controllers is okay. It can work. Okay. Because I'm manipulating the ISO code to work on this controller. So let's do again a simulation here. Continue is okay now. Now cancel. Let's do a simulation here. Only the threading. You see what will happen. Let me increase this one for the purpose of simulating, or I can increase from here 100%. You'll see happen. So you need to understand the compatibility of the code you're using for most cases for ISO. Like you see, like this one, the block 5 syntax cannot be interpreted. Why? Let's go to the same block. We can search this block. I don't want to add this one. We can search the same block. That is 530, almost on the threading actually. Let's go on the threading, because it's saying it cannot be interpreted. Let's see. Maybe there's somewhere we didn't put. Yes. Now in ISO mode, you will find this one will not work well for this. For this one, will not work well for this. So which one is the problem? Let's now again do a simulation. So this is how you troubleshoot the program, but I won't tell you the secret on the threading for Siemens 840 on CTX series turning controllers. Until you come to our center, I'll show you how to do this, because this is our secret. Yeah, you need to come and learn. There's nothing for free. Only on the threading. Only on the threading. What will happen on the threading? Come to do spring pass 523. You can come here, how to identify the code. You can go down. You see the numbers are increasing. I want to do it manually for somebody to understand how to troubleshoot this one, how to identify the code errors. The code errors. That's 523. Where is the code error on 523? Let's go. 523, and here it is. Here it is. So this last code, because why is it the problem? This is the last pitch, is it? So this code cannot work on this. So which code can work for this kind of threading? So if you want to learn the tip on threading for ISO code, come to our center. We'll show you how to solve this problem. As I already explaining, like in Mastercam, we have, if you're using Mastercam without ISO mode, that maybe you don't have the post processor for the machine. When you generate the G code, one, it can give you the box, or what we call the Ken cycle type, that's G76 2-line. It can give you the longhand method using G32. It can give you the alternating method still on G32, or it can give you what you call the box method using G82 or G7 or 92. Like there are machines like GSK, they use G92. HNC, they use G82. Others can use G76, for example G76. But you need to know which code works well for your machine. You need to know which code works well for your machine. So in case you want to learn more on this, you can come to our center. We'll show you how this code is all about, what it means by this code for threading, on how can you manipulate the ISO code in threading. A tip here, let me give you a tip here. You can click here, enter. Then I can come to turning. Then I can say threading. You see this one, this threading, I can pick all these parameters and I can now input there to do my turning. But this one normally uses G32 and G33, but I cannot tell you here now. And then you come to a center, will show you how to do this. Okay.